Tired of complicated loyalty programs and points that never amount to anything? It's time to talk about the Beam Wallet reward system, a refreshingly simple approach to earning on your everyday spending. Here's the breakdown. The core of Beam's reward system is automatic cashback on every purchase you make with the wallet. You don't have to scan loyalty cards, remember codes, or enroll in a separate program. Just pay with Beam, and you automatically earn a reward from the retailer. This reward is given to you in real money, not inflated, proprietary points. What you see is what you get. The best part? Flexibility. When you check out at a store, you can choose to be in spend mode or save mode. In spend mode, Beam will automatically deduct any rewards you've already earned from the current transaction's total. It's instant savings without any extra steps. The cashier only sees the final balance you owe. In save mode, you choose to accumulate your cashback. This is great for building up a larger reward balance to use on a bigger purchase later. And here's the game changer: you can spend your rewards anywhere within the Beam network. It doesn't matter if you earned cashback at a coffee shop, you can use it to discount a purchase at a clothing store. Your reward isn't tied to a specific brand. Beam also occasionally offers bonuses, which are time-sensitive, specific store amounts that are automatically used before your regular rewards. Ultimately, the Beam Wallet reward system is designed to be effortless and valuable, real cash back, earned automatically on every transaction, and spendable across the entire network. Stop paying for things without earning something back. That's how Beam works for you.